Good day to you out there in YouTube land. This is Gary in Arizona doing an unboxing video of the replacement EcoFlow. The first video was me sending it back to them because the 12 volt didn't work. Also the USB ports quit working on it. There's the box, name on it. Let's see if I can do this without cutting myself open. Keep this box forever and a day. Yeah, let me see here. They're going to help me here by doing that part. Yeah, let me see, what do we got here? More tape, it looks like. And of course, tape and tape. "24-month warranty." Something to keep it dry. Do not eat. Yeah, let me see here. I'm going to set this down and take this sucker out of the bag here. And had to move it to a different location here. Comes wrapped up in a little carrying case here. I'm going to set this down again. Please don't mind this. Okay, I got it unwrapped out of its thing. Let me see here. Give you a little tour around it here. Let's push this down here and see what happens. It says it's at 99%. Let's go down here to the parts that failed before. I'm just using a little chair heater here. And I don't see a red light again on my turn that off. There it is. Okay. USB lights came on, and the charging port back here came on, so I guess we're all good now. I guess I'll call the place and do my extended warranty on this replacement unit here. But I got to give kudos to the customer service people at EcoFlow. They did a real good job. This outlet here did not work the first time. The USBs over here didn't work. I had it for a little while, charged it up, tried it, it didn't work. Contacted them. It was just a matter of hours before they got back to me and said, you know, let's take care of it, let's help you fix it. Sent me a label. I returned the unit to them like in the first video. I didn't have to pay for any shipping at all on this thing. They took care of the whole thing under warranty type stuff. It was really nice. You just don't run into that kind of service nowadays, but with the draw right there on it, it says I got 6 hours of use of my chair heater. It's a nice little unit though. Weighs about 38 pounds, I guess. Once again, thank you EcoFlow, and if you guys have any questions on this this little unit here, this little power thing, leave a comment and I'll take a look at it and get back to you on it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please like and subscribe. This is going to be a raw video. I don't edit my videos. It's got the AC parts right there for the plug your stuff into. And then again over here on the it's got a nice bright display, and turn everything off like that, and then come back over here and the DC port's still on there, so it's nice. I would recommend it. Once again, you all have a good day. I'm going to close this now. Like and subscribe, please. I can use all the help I can get nowadays on YouTube. I'm just a guy doing this and having some fun with it, and let everybody know what kind of stuff I run into and stuff I buy. So anyway, have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.